Hello everybody. So today, me and my friends are gonna play Zoo or Oof, but this time we're four this time. Since my last video, we're only two because one, one friend was sleeping and the second was I don't know. We just found it in the streets. No, just kidding. But it's Kane's brother, yeah. So let's get right into it. Let's go! Ako tinatrash talk mo, ilan na pera mo?
Lucas, ilan na pera mo, Zane? Ikaw, Paul.
6,000?
9,000 si, Lucas.
Lakas mo naman. 10k, boy.
10k, where's 10k eh, no? 5k lang si Light Glow eh.
Ay, paano nyo nakita? Gago ba kayo?
Awa kayo.
Asan si Alexander? Bakit di siya naka-join?
Naka-on pala yung game ko kaya daw naka-join. Alright. Huwag ka magtampo.
Camouflage boy, camouflage kami.
Okay, camouflage. Kasi pares kayong blue eh.
Ang sim.
May nakikita akong gnagalaw oh.
Kung pares kayong blue... Ano yan?
Gnagalaw sa ganun. Bahala ka eh.
Boy, camouflage yan, di ka marunong mag-appreciate.
Mamaya ka na sa si Lucas. Si Lucas oh.
Oo.
Movement ka pa, King Inam... Ay, si King Bradley pala yun.
Ayun oh, napakalaki ng elepante oh.
Boy! Naman. Hindi ko na tuloy siya makita. What the fuck?
Uy, ganda ng items ko.
Ano boy? Ano boy? Nahulog. Nahulog na naman. Nahulog na naman. Lucas. Oh, di ako matamaan. Ay, natamaan ako, shit. Oh, joke lang. Di mo nasa tabi mo lang, oh. Zookeeper ako. Susundan ko si number 1 spicy hater. Joke lang.
Gago.
Ay, gotas ng zebra. Ang sarap niya, ang dali.
Kuya. Can't seem to find.
Sander, di ba kilala mo si Psycho yung Sander?
Oh. Uy, gago. May Kuya, wait.
You get flustered easily. Yeah, that's the thing. I'm like much older than you, but I haven't gotten really in this relationship kind of thingy. So why? That's why I'm here. No, my XP bar is low.
Yung
Game! No! I-snitch ko si Lucas, bro.
Si Lucas, ikaw na lang.
Ayaw na lang pala mag-is. Ako na lang pala mag-is.
nakalagay yung wait lang.
Sabihin mo ayon. Uy, tanong naman. So much braver than I thought.
Uy, Luke pa uli.
Just because you're here.
Yeah, because
Kasi na ba yung baril. Pabaril.
Uy, paano ako nakita nito? Nakita agad ako ni Lucas. Duga mo ah.
Kuya,
Uy, wag ka na sa akin. Sasayangin mo lang oras mo sa akin. Kawawa ka naman.
Wait, what? Only just because you're here.
Ang lalanan eh.
Alam mo yun?
Oo. Ayun ba yung sa iko, no?
Oo. Wait.
Oh, shit.
Let me pull up my TikTok, bro.
Ito nga, oh. Ilang.
Sino?
Hoy, wag mo muna ako ano eh. Nagsasearch ako eh. Broski.
Ay, ikaw pala yun?
Yes, sir.
Wait, you're actually so much.
Yo, wait lang. Wait, hold on. Restart. Ipin tayo.
Tapos dalawang leon.
Ito. This.
Braver than I thought.
Where are you? Nasaan kayo, bitches?
Holy man. The... Ay, bobo.
Never in all my years would I have guessed that somebody would have been canceled this footage.
Ano yan? Saikuno documentary?
Oh, I have some strawberry soju with milk.
Nahulog ako. Shit.
Tangina pati siya.
Uy.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, may kangaroo, may zebra, may giraffe. Sino?
Kuya, have mercy.
Sino to? May kangaroo dito.
No.
May zebra. Ito yung unahin ko. Ikaw unahin ko, boy.
Asan si Kane?
Hindi ko alam eh. Blend in the game with the freak.
Lala.
Hi guys. Ano yan? Kita ko yung shades mo, bro.
Hindi ako yan, di ba yan?
Iba yan. Props lang yan.
Go! Para ako mga bata. Roar!
Uy, shit, may, ano to? Grabe, oh my days. Ano, asan si Kane? Uy, grabe, nawala. Naging what the freak, broski?
Ang laki!
What the freak, my balls suck siya. Oh my
Ay, patay.
No way, bro. Patay ka na, bro.
Hindi yan tatalam. Ay, malam.
Boy, nakita ko may itlog ka, bro. Hello, everybody. So, I'm sorry if I cut the video too short because my audio was delayed and the video just kept going. And as you can see, it's obvious. It's really obvious. And when I opened my TikTok, that's where it delayed my video or audio. But yeah, I don't really know what happened to my audio, but yeah, I'll just edit on a random video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it's really short and really kind of boring. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace.